What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting, and we are celebrating and appreciating yet another quiltress. Yes, this is an absolute quiltress. This is Sheila Frampton Cooper. You guys know that I have a love for Sheila's work. Sheila's work is so noticeable. And what I mean by that is if you're walking by or if you gave me 10 cards, I could tell you which one belongs to Sheila. She has a clear voice. Um, and I love how it has evolved over the years. It hasn't always been the same. Her early works look very different than what she's producing right now. But what she's producing right now has a sophistication to it that is just unparalleled. I don't always love improv. Improv is not my favorite genre of quilting. However, when Sheila does it, it makes me want to try it. I tried it, not my gift yet. I have not grown into improv. For whatever reason, it just doesn't work for my brain. I need to have a goal that I'm working toward for me personally, but I can appreciate the heck out of a good improv quilt. And this is exactly what this is. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at this amazing quilt. Look at it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, look at the use of color. These yellows up here at the top. And then we've got this deep green down here in her use of ombres, which you really don't see until you're like looking for it. Look at how this ombre is right here. Oh, all right, let's get into the video. You guys probably know that this one here is by Sheila Frampton Cooper. It's an abstract piece of hers. I don't know if we've talked about this one before, but it is gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that is. And as we get in closer, we can see the quilting. She's using multiple colors of thread. I love a thread change. And she's using these tone on tone, but however, in this area right here, I mean, it's still orange on orange, but it's a neon kind of orange thread that gives it just kind of a different, I don't know, a different feeling, a different texture, a different kind of movement. It's beautiful. I love it. Love this piece. One of the things I will say about this piece that's kind of different than her others, this has some very intricate shapes in her quilting, and sometimes she'll just do some very, very tight echo quilting on her shapes. But this one has some quilting lines that are very, very close together, and some that are spread apart, and some that are meandering. And I like that. I like what this quilt is doing. And also check out the binding. I love the fact that we've got yellow binding at the top. We've got this light blue binding here that goes into the sand over here. And then right here, we've got the green. I mean, this is just so thoughtful. It's just gorgeous. The mimicking of the shapes on the outer side and up and down. I think I want to do a mirroring kind of quilt of some sort, of some kind of motif. I love this shape right here. Look at the shape. It's such a sexy kind of shape. Love it, love it, love it. This is a very, very inspiring piece. It makes me want to pull away some of these applique shapes. And again, this is raw edge here. This isn't turned. I believe this is, no, this is pieced. Was this pieced? I believe this is pieced. This is not applique, if my mind serves me correctly. I think Sheila pieced this one, which makes it even more interesting. Is this pieced or applique? I can't remember, because Sheila can piece the heck out of some stuff too. But she also has an applique class currently. I don't know the technique, but I know whatever it is, I love it. I think this is applique. Whatever it is, I want to pull some of these shapes. I want to work with that shape right there. I want to work with this shape, this dark blue shape. And I think I want to work with it all together. I wonder if Sheila let me borrow these shapes. I don't know. All right, guys, you know what to do. We are going to love on Sheila. We are going to tell her everything that we love about this quilt in the comment section. We are going to talk about her use of color, quilting, thread, all the things. If I missed something, let me know down in the comment section. Again, this is one of my favorite quilters, Sheila Frampton Cooper. If you guys get a chance, check out her Instagram, her social media, and she has classes that you might be interested in if you like improv. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.